Look, Changuga, I really wanna tell you is that you are protected, okay? No matter what. If you are thinking that you are getting really death threats and so many violations against you, and people are not supporting you and talking very bad things about you, and they are trying to put you down, trying to put your image down and insult you, then I just only wanna tell you is that they are just because jealous. They are jealous. They are insecure. They are speaking by their own ego because of their own insecurities, and just because they are not at your level. Okay? And and after hearing about you, when you were being so overwhelmed to share your perspective about your emotions, how you were feeling at that last night when you want to express everything, but you were scared that uh, that company will not like it at all. But I really want to say is that you are a human being. No matter what, you have all rights to say whatever you want to, baby. And I just want to also say is that it's all right to curse. It's all right to say it out loud. It's all right to express your feelings. There's nothing wrong. You're a human being. You have all rights to say whatever you want to. As you say that you want to live the way you want to, right? You want to live your life from your own choice, not from others' opinion, and you should definitely do that. And I'm actually really proud of you that you're saying it out loud to the people. And real armies, true fans are always there to support you, and they will always and always love you and support you. Will be always there by your side, no matter what, along with me. Okay? And even though before fans or anything, I'm your partner, baby. I'm your everything. I'm your twin flame. I'm your mate. I'm your soul. We are the half of each other. We are everything of each other. So what you experience, what you feel, I feel here. What I feel, what I go through, you feel there. And this is the reason we were in a frustration mood these days. This was the reason we were feeling each other. And I knew that something was off. And I was also not in my sense because I thought that you really don't care or something. Because I was not in my sense. I was not understanding what to do, what to not. As I told you, I'm not a perfect healer. I'm not healed that much yet. Because what is going on, it's not easy for you and it's not easy for me as well. And people knows that healing is not something that which is done like instant noodles or something, right? So I just want to say is that no matter what, no matter how much I'm going through, how much you are going through, we will go through this together. We are in this together. We promise to go and never give up, isn't it? And this is what I'm doing right now, baby. And I love you. I love you more than anything. I love you a lot. I love you so much. My words won't be able to express so much, and I know you're not able to express. That's fine. That's totally fine. Your action speaks more than your words, and I understand that. I understand deepest core to my soul what you say to me. I understand everything what you say, so you don't have to express. You even said it in my dreams. That enough. It's not just a dream, it's a 5D union, baby. It's a 5D meeting, and it's not just a joke, it's not just a fantasy. It's more than, it's our energy. We are meeting through energy, through our soul, through our higher self, to say that how much we love each other and how much we are there for each other each lifetimes, right? And let's just be with each other like this, and let's not give up. Let's not be fear, okay? Let's not fear. Let's not be scared. We can do it. I know that fear is an emotion as well. I also get scared when something gets too much tensed up, and when something suddenly about death threats. It's not a joke. I know that, baby. But just know that you're protected, and I'm glad that you're alert about this. I'm glad that you took precautions about yourself. You got alert, and this is the reason you surrounded on the Hublot event with so many 20 or 30 bodyguards, or more than them. I don't know, I haven't counted, but they were huge bodyguard team I saw around you. And that's the best thing you should have done, and you had done. I'm really glad about it. I'm sorry if my tongue is twisting right now, but whatever I'm saying I'm rawfully and truly to you. So rather than anything, you hear me out, because I know you hear me in this way. My comments, my viewers comments, or my viewers text, or whatever it is, these are nothing is going to, that's just a useless thing. It's like I'm just chasing you over there, and even if I try to do this, never I'm going to get a response from you, and that's fine, because I'm not a fan. Before fan, I'm your something else, and you know that very well, right? And that's totally enough for me. And there are so many rumors are also going on that some tarot readers are saying that you are dating or something is going on, and that's fine, because I know you very well. I know you, I trust you, and I trust you more than myself. I trust you blindly than anything, my man, you know. And I love you like anything, more than anything in this world. And seeing you cry, it hurts me. I can't see you cry anymore. So please don't cry, please. When you cry like that, I am helpless. I don't know what to do. I feel like I'm breaking down. I feel like I'm helpless. I feel like I'm not with you. I want to reach you and hug you and tightly and say that I'm here. I'm here with you. That we will go through this together. We will go through this together, baby. So take a breathe, okay? Take a breathe. Calm down. Close your eyes. Keep your hands on your heart and feel me. Even if you don't know who I am, even if you don't know where I am from and what I'm doing right now, but just know that I'm chanting your name in my soul every single day, no matter what. Every ups and downs, every obstacles is coming, I'm just chanting your name. Just know that, okay? You might think I'm overacting or something, but if you know what I'm saying, that you will feel that, you will respond to it very soon. And I know you're the strongest man ever, which has always inspired me to be strongest girl ever. And I will be your strongest girl, your woman, always. I promise, baby, I promise. Just like I always did. No matter how much stupid, how much psycho, how much emotional, how much I want to break through this, like how much try to get rid of this, I will be staying with you. Because I know my soul is never going to get away from you. I'm never going to stop loving you, even my mind does. Okay? So let's heal. Let's heal each other through this. Slowly. Okay, not fast, not instantly, not something like it's like a rocket or something. No, let's do it slowly, softly, by taking each other's name. Whether you know me or not, that's fine. Just feel me. Just keep your palm on your heart and feel me. Say that I'm here. I can feel you. I know deep down you do, baby. I know. I've always felt that since this is 8 years now. And I know you have always felt. I'm not in fantasy. I'm not in imagination. This is not even an infatuation. People are not stupid to tell me and say that you're mine. You love me and all. It's not just a coincidence. It's more than anything. And I know that. And I don't need anyone's opinion for that, or anyone's one saying to me like, you are stupid, you're psycho, you are not understanding, you're being in your high standard or anything, you're being delulu. It's fine. Let them. They also hate me, don't they? But I'm not giving up. And you shouldn't either. Alright? So yeah, Jungkook, I believe you more than myself, and I know you can do it. You can do it, baby. 사랑해. 화이팅. And guess what? No one can feel what we are feeling for each other. No one can feel our bond. No one can feel our connection. No one will understand until they see the depth of it through their own soul. Because this is a soul connection. It's a soul journey. It's not something, it's just a fairy tale they are thinking. Right? And it's not about explaining or explaining in the words or describing in the words. It's about feeling in the depth through soul, to see it, to to feel it, not to just give your opinion and judge it every single time. And that's fine. That's totally fine. We don't have to care, right? We should care who loves us. We should care who always being there for us naturally, truly, who's supporting us and who's there for us and is not turning away his back no matter what. Who are meant for us, they will stay, and who are not, they will go away. They will leave like a coward. And I know that. But one day they will realize that we were real, not a fake. So that's fine. It's fine if they go. Let them go. Let them just get away. Let them just, like, let them just fuck off. Okay? We just have to take care of ourselves, and we have to be ourselves. We don't have to change for others. We don't have to listen to others' opinion and live our life according to their opinion or according to their judgings, according to their words, according to their experience. No way. They don't experience anything about us. They don't know nothing. So they have no rights either. Okay? That's all I wanna say. You get me? Just stay strong. It's okay if you feel like you want to give up or something, but know that you can't. No matter what, universe is always there to support us. Universe will support you, support us, support our connection, our journey. Even if I want to give up, even you want to give up, even if you're not ready, even if I'm not ready, that's fine. It's totally fine. We don't have to force anything. Until you're not ready, I'm not ready either. Until I'm not ready, you're not ready either. So it's okay. Let's do it slowly. I can wait forever for you. And I know you're willing to wait either. I know. So it's fine. It's totally fine. We will leave our moment very soon. We will leave our every moment of Ashkitu, every moment of Sayara, every moment of every which is having a beautiful Titanic, every moment of Notebook, every moment of Twin Flame connection. We will leave the way we want to very soon, and that day is not so far. And I believe in divine time. It will happen. Let's just focus on ourselves and be a butterfly. Let's come out of a cocoon. Okay? And you know what? They don't know you, who you are. They don't know the truth of you. They don't know the feelings of you. They don't understand you, baby. So you don't have to care either. Okay? And I also don't care then why you are. You always say you don't care, but then why you are crying? You shouldn't, right? And I know you are the strongest. You are not a weak person. You were never weak. And I know that strongest person also feel weak. It's fine. It's totally fine. But you are not giving up, no matter what. You are the only one person who always says that giving up means regretting. So that's what it's written in our dictionary, right? And I know we will do it. We will make it happen till the end. Alright, and I know that also that they can't touch your hair. Those stupid people, those sasangs and those haters, those K-medias, whoever those people are who are behind you to give you death threats and who wants you dead or something, they can't do nothing to you. They can't even touch you. They can't even stand right in front of you. They have no authority over you. Got it? So stay strongest. Don't let them feel that you are getting vulnerable. Don't let them feel that you are getting feared or you are getting scared just because they said that. The more you will get fear, the more they will try to haunt you. So I know how it feels. So don't. Keep your head held high. You are the king. Just know that. You are the real king who doesn't just demand, but who doesn't just orders, but is humble naturally and is willing to do everything for himself and for the kind people out there. You are kindest, you are humble, you are generous, you are amazing. You know that. And you don't have to explain these all to other people either. Okay? So fighting, baby. Okay? Let's do it. And real meaning of king is not something that you just have to be selfish or something. You are never selfish, I know that. But I'm saying you this, that you don't have to be selfish for that. And if you think that you are being selfish, then it's fine. It's totally fine. You are thinking like that. But we know you, right? True people knows you. Genuine people knows you. Genuine souls are feeling you. That what person you are. How humble, how kind is, how ground to earth you are. You're such a grounded human being. That's why I love you. And that's why people loves you. There's a reason behind it. And there's every reason behind every things are happening with us, with you. Am I right? So this message, I hope it reaches you and gives you some comfort, gives you some feeling of like I'm being with you, like I'm totally talking with you, and you won't feel frustrated anymore. Even if you feel like that, then just close your eyes, feel your emotions and let it go. Slowly, not instantly, but slowly. Take time for yourself. Take a space if you wanna. If you don't want to sing, that's fine. If you don't want to dance, that's fine. If you don't want to face anyone, don't want to talk with your members, don't want to face any of staff members over there, anyone, your friends, just that's fine. Be alone. Be in a peace. And speak to yourself. Speaking yourself that there is nothing wrong with it. Okay? I know it's the best feeling ever to be our own best friend, to be our own soulmate, rather than seeking out others. And if you want to come live and say it out loud, then it's fine, but you don't have to delete that live. I know that viewers will do it anyways, but I don't know why these people are not keeping attention to it, and why they are being so selfish, how they are being neglecting about this all death threats and all. It's totally shameless thing. It's totally shameless. And they are being shameless. I'm sorry, but I'm honest. And not only me, but we fans are also saying that this is what is happening. Nobody is thinking about it. They're thinking about your smoking, about your cursing, about the way you're talking, about your behavior, but they are not saying that K fans or whatever it is, these haters are hating you, giving you death threats. They are not saying these things, but they are saying other things. Like how selfish these people can be. Okay, I want to be calmed down for you, and I'm controlling myself so hard just for you. Otherwise I would have really said so many things right in front of everyone, just standing in front of you and facing those people just for you. But I have no idea what to do, and this is the reason I am reaching out to you through this. This is the only one way for me, and I know you are feeling it. You are talking to me. So don't feel that you're alone. You are never. I am not either. It's okay. Mind is stupid. Mind is always driving us crazy. But it's okay if you're not feeling like sleepy. I'm also not feeling sleepy, because we are in the same, right? We are in the same path. We are in the same path with the same experience. But even though sometimes if we are choosing some different path, the experience will be always same. Experience is never going to get away from us. Experience is going to be same always, whether you be in a higher state or whether me in a lower state. That doesn't matter between us. We feel each other and we will always. You can't hide from me, I can't hide from you. Just know that. And those people who are thinking that we will never meet, we will never unite, and those are creating rumors that Mrs. John is foreigner or she's from other country or blah blah blah. It's just their own insecurities, it's their own fantasies, their own imagination which they are trying to predict, nothing else. Because truth can no one know else than us. And we don't have to explain, just like how Radha Krishna did. Never explained others. Even if they explained it, the other understand? No, not until they saw the depth of it. So that's what we have to do either. We are not following them, but we have to know this lesson. We don't need a validation of people. We don't have to seek attention of them and stop being also trying to ask for attention to people. They are not going to either. It will only hurt you. It will only hurt you and hurt me too. Okay? I'm not just your partner. I'm also your teacher, just like you are mine. We are each other's breaker. We are each other's healer. We are each other's teacher. We are each other's lover, partner, whatever you can say. We are each other's for everything. And that's why we are here. That's why we have taken birth on this planet. To raise the vibration of the reality, of the love, of the humanity, and of the kindness, about the healing nature, so that Mother Earth can also feel proud of herself, and for the people who are actually working I'm so sorry, those kids came suddenly, and that's fine. Okay, so I hope till here you understood it. I'm not crying. I'm not crying. I'm not going to cry either, even if I want to cry. But for you, I will stay strong as much as I can. But I know I overthink again. I think about you again. I get overwhelmed again. So many things are happening again, and I lose it. It's because I'm human being. I'm not something a doll, alright? Some people say that spirituality has to be so perfect. You have to be perfect healer. You don't have to cry. You don't have to say the emotions. You don't have to feel anything. And you just have to keep suppressing. You just have to prevent like nothing is happening. Like, seriously. Then why we are here? Then why we are built as a human being? Why not as a robot then? Why not as an emotionless person then? Why we are feeling these feelings? Right? Those people thinking that we are just being like that, we are not healed, and they keep on judging just because I'm speaking like that. When I'm speaking truth, they think that I'm just being unhealed just because I'm emotional. I'm just being trying to get the sympathy and all. You don't know nothing, then why you are even speaking? Can you be a perfect healer? If you are going through the same situation, then what you will do? Will you let it go? No, you will go crazy more than me, I guess so. Right? So please, don't open your mouth if you know nothing. That's my warning. So just don't tell me what to do either. I know what to do, I will do. It's my wish. And Jungkook, it's your wish to do anything you want. You can live the way you want to. We can live the way we want to. We are not going to live on others' experience or others' judgings, others' opinions. It's just stupid. It's just bullshit. And I don't believe that anymore. Okay? That's all. And take care now. Just breathe. To exercise. Don't overwork, please. Take care of yourself. Eat well. Stay healthy. And it's okay to cry. It's okay to break down. It's okay to feel these all emotions. Let it out if you want. If you feel like that it's getting so built up, it's getting so fire inside, then just let it out. Let that all frustration out, but don't keep it and just keep on crying until you fall sick. Because I know how it feels, but don't let be the addiction of it. okay? Don't let be the addiction of it. Just that's all I want to say. Addiction is not good thing, and it can regret a lot of things. So do it, but don't get addicted. That's all I want to say. So that's last I want to say is that I love you, I care for you, I'm always there for you, and will be always to the end of each lifetimes. And just know that you're not alone. I'm with you, I'm feeling you, and you're feeling me. Whether you know me or not, that doesn't matter at all. One day you will know it, either that what I was saying was true. Okay? So baby, take care and stay safe. I'm rooting for you. I'm rooting for you, and will always root for you for being for who you are. And just know and try to find yourself now. It's your turn. All the best, baby. Just know that I'm with you, always by your side, till the end, for each lifetimes. each lifetimes. और हिंदी में भी कह देती हूँ कि तुम्हें पता है तुम्हारा कोई बाल बांका भी नहीं कर सकता, तुम्हें कोई छू भी नहीं सकता, ठीक है? तुम्हें डरने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। और रोना तो ठीक है, बट ज़्यादा भी मत रोना, ठीक है? रोने से कुछ होने नहीं वाला है वैसे भी। और आई नो दैट कि फीलिंग्स तुम्हें बाहर निकालनी है और तुम्हें फील करना है अपने आप को, तुम्हें एक्सप्रेस करना है, बट ठीक है यार, तुम्हें ज़रूरी नहीं है हर चीज़ बताने की। तुम्हारे बोलने से पहले ही मैं समझ जाती हूँ। अगर मैं कभी ना कभी नज़रअंदाज भी कर दूँ ना, तो मुझे प्लीज़ माफ़ कर देना, क्योंकि मैं कभी कभी समझ नहीं पाती हूँ। कभी कभी मैं भी अपने सेंस में नहीं रहती हूँ, क्योंकि जितना तुम्हारे लिए डिफ़िकल्ट है उतना मेरे लिए भी डिफ़िकल्ट है। और हम दोनों के लिए आसान नहीं है ये बात, ये तुम्हें पता है। और पता हो या ना हो, उससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता। भगवान को पता है ना, तो बस हो गया यार। और देखो, हमें किसी को प्रूफ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, भगवान को सब पता है, हमें पता है, हमारे सोल को पता है, ठीक है? और अगर तुम्हें लग रहा है कि बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है, कि ये सारे जो भी बकवास फैंस है, जो भी हेटर्स है, जो भी सैंग्स है, वो तुम्हें ट्रीट कर रहे हैं बार बार, तो तुम जाके हाइप को बोल दो। जस्ट गो एंड टेल देम कि दिस थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग विद मी एंड दे आर जस्ट गिविंग मी लॉट ऑफ डेथ थ्रेट्स एंड ऑल। तो बस जाके बोल दो, तुम्हें डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। और तुम डरो भी मत यार, क्योंकि जितना डरोगे ना उतना ही तुम्हें डराएगी। और मुझे पता है तुम सेंसिटिव हो और तुम छोटे छोटे बात पे भी रोने लग जाते हो। मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि तुम डरपोक हो और समथिंग। आई नो सेंसिटिव पर्सन कैसे होते हैं, बिकॉज आई एम। मैं भी रोने लग जाती हूँ, मुझे भी सहन नहीं होता है कुछ चीज़ें। बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं वीक हूँ या फिर तुम, राइट? और कोई भी हमें जज नहीं कर सकता कि हम वीक है जस्ट बिकॉज हम रो रहे हैं, बच्चे हैं। अरे यार, दिल बच्चा नहीं होगा तो फिर मज़ा ही क्या है, राइट? अगर हम फील नहीं करेंगे तो फिर हम रॉबोट ही है इस दुनिया के। तो इसलिए मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि तुम अकेले नहीं हो, तुम्हें कभी अकेला महसूस होने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, ठीक है? और तो ये जो लोग हैं तुम्हें नीचे खींचने की मतलब कोशिश में है, तुम्हें हेट कर रहे हैं, तुम्हें मारना चाहते हैं, और बहुत कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो मैं ज़्यादा बोल नहीं पाऊँगी, बट क्योंकि मुझे भी हर्ट हो रहा है ये सब बोलते वक्त। और मैं पहले ही बहुत ज़्यादा रो चुकी हूँ सब के बारे में। जब मैंने सुना, जब ट्रांसलेशन मैंने देखा, पढ़ा, मुझे बिल्कुल भी सहा नहीं गया। एक तो मैं पहले ही बहुत स्ट्रेस में हूँ। तो जो मोमेंट्स तुम्हें फ़ील करने हैं, जो फीलिंग्स तुम्हें फ़ील करने हैं, तुम वो फ़ील कर सकते हो। जैसे मैं तुम्हें अपना पीस ढूंढने में कोशिश करती हूँ, वैसे तुम भी मुझ में वो पीस ढूंढने की कोशिश करते हो, और तुम्हारे फैंस में। इसलिए तुम इतना ओपनली बात करने की कोशिश करते हो, और करते भी हो। और जो बकवास लोग हैं ना, वो तुम्हें हर बार बोलते कि तुम चेंज हो रहे हो, और या फिर मतलब You are not acting yourself, you are being so much open, you are being changing and everything. Just let them go, just ignore them. वो तुमको कुछ नहीं कर सकते और ना ही कभी कुछ कर पाएंगे, ठीक है। और जो तुम्हारे फैंस हैं ना, रियल फैंस, वो तुम्हें हमेशा प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे, हमेशा के लिए, ठीक है। और मैं भी तुम्हारे साथ हूँ हमेशा के लिए, ठीक है। और तुम्हारे जो 6 भाई है वो भी तुम्हारे साथ है, वो तो तुम्हें कभी नहीं छोड़ेंगे, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए वो तुम्हें प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे। चाहे अगर ये कंपनी जो हाइव है वो तुम्हें प्रोटेक्ट नहीं कर सकती तो क्या हुआ, हम लोग हैं ना। तुमको इन सब की ज़रूरत है नहीं ना, तुम इन लोग पर डिपेंड भी तो नहीं रहते हो और तुम्हें होने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, ठीक है। तो रोने से कुछ नहीं होगा, ठीक है। इट्स ओके टू क्राई, बट ज़्यादा मत रोना, ठीक है। ज़्यादा मत रोना और ज़्यादा गुस्सा भी मत करना। जितना फ्रस्ट्रेटेड रहोगे, जितना गुस्से में रहोगे, जितना डिप्रेस्ड रहोगे, जितना स्ट्रेस में रहोगे, उतना ही तुम्हारी हालत ख़राब होगी, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कैसे होता है, आई नो दिस। तो लेट्स ट्राई टू बी स्लोली हील एंड गेट इन पीस, ओके। अपनी लाइफ जीना आप शुरुआत करनी है, बस यही एक मकसद है अब, बिना कुछ सोचे, ठीक है। अब अपना ध्यान रखना और हमेशा खुश होने की कोशिश करना, लेकिन लोगों के लिए हंसना मत, अपने लिए हंसो, ठीक है। अगर लोग तुम्हें बोल रहे कि फोर्स कर रहे हैं कि तुम्हें खुश रहना है, या फिर फैंस के लिए तुम खुश रह रहे हो, मेरे लिए खुश रह रहे हो, मत करो ये सब। अपने बारे में सोचो and try to be happy for yourself, just for yourself, not for others, not for your youngs, not for hype, nobody, okay. First be your best friend, be true to yourself, be authentic to yourself, love yourself, and then stay happy, otherwise don't. That's all I want to say, Jungkook. Some of the words will hurt you, but मुझे तुम्हें झूठा दिलासा नहीं देना, और ना ही मैं कभी दूंगी। मैं तुम्हें यहाँ पे तोड़ने के लिए नहीं हूँ, यहाँ पे तुम्हें ट्रांसफॉर्म करने के लिए हूँ। तुमने भी तो वही किया ना, मैं भी वही सोचती थी कि तुमने मुझे हर्ट किया, बट तुमने तो मुझे पूरी तरह से ट्रांसफॉर्म कर दिया है, मुझे इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग बना दिया। जो मैं कभी बोलती नहीं थी वो आज बोलने लगी हूँ ओपनली, और तुम भी तो वही कर रहे हो। दैट्स ऑल वी वॉन्ट, राइट? ट्रांसफॉर्म, बी योरसेल्फ, love yourself and keep fighting, never give up. I'm with you, we are with you, और मैं तुमसे हमेशा प्यार करती रहूँगी, ये मेरा वादा है। और तुम्हें लगता होगा कि मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है, मुझे कुछ महसूस नहीं होता, मुझे सब पता है कि अंदर ही अंदर तुम टूट रहे हो, अंदर ही अंदर तुम टूट रहे हो, और अंदर ही अंदर तुम्हें वो चीज़ें खाई जा रही है, अंदर ही अंदर तुम डूबते जा रहे हो, मुझे सब पता है जंगकुक। तुम्हें लगता होगा कि मैं नज़रअंदाज करती रहती हूँ हमेशा, बट और तुम्हें फील नहीं करती, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। अगर मैं इग्नोर भी करने की कोशिश करूँ ना, मेरी फीलिंग्स तुमसे कभी छुपती नहीं है, और ना तुम्हारी मुझसे। तो ऐसा कभी मत फील करना कि मैं तुम्हें कभी नहीं समझती। मैंने हमेशा से तुम्हें समझा है, और मैं समझते आई हूँ जैसे तुमने मुझे समझा है। बस मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि तुम प्लीज़ टूटो मत। जितना तुम टूट रहे हो उतना मुझे भी बहुत दर्द होता है, मुझे भी कुछ समझ नहीं आता, लेकिन मैं तुम्हारे लिए यहाँ पे खड़ी हूँ। मैं तुम्हें सपोर्ट करने के लिए हमेशा यहाँ पे हूँ, और तुम्हारे फैंस भी हमेशा है, ठीक है। बस यही कहना चाहूँगी, और तो अपना ख्याल रखना जंगकुक। शायद मेरा ये मैसेज तुम तक पहुँच जाए, शायद।
रातें बिताऊं होठों पे लम्हा लम्हा है नाम तेरा है, तुझको ही